It's time for Uganda to ban Vuvuzela in sports, especially in stadiums, a fact-based call for action. In the world of sports, a few things are as electrifying as the roar of a crowd united by passion, loyalty, and national pride. But in Uganda, this spirit is increasingly being drawn out by the deafening, monotone blare of the Vuvuzela, a long plastic horn that can reach noise levels of 120 to 130 decibels, equivalent to a jet engine takeoff. What once symbolized excitement in South Africa's 2010 FIFA World Cup has become a public health hazard, a disruption to communication, and an unwanted distraction in stadiums. It is time for Uganda to take a firm, fact-based stand and ban Vuvuzelas from all sports stadiums and arenas. The case against Vuvuzela. Number 1, health hazard. The World Health Organization warns that sounds above 85 decibels can lead to permanent hearing damage. Vuvuzelas regularly exceed 120 dB, posing a serious risk to children, elderly fans, players, and officials exposed for hours during games. Studies during the 2010 World Cup showed that prolonged exposure to Vuvuzela noise caused temporary hearing loss among fans and security personnel. Uganda cannot afford to ignore these dangers. There is also communication breakdown. In emergencies, public address systems must be heard clearly. Vuvuzelas make this nearly impossible. Referee whistles go unheard. Sometimes, first aid announcements are missed and fund instructions are drawn out, creating an unsafe environment for everyone present. Disruption to players and fans. Athletes rely on crowd cues and verbal communication with teammates. The constant drone of Vuvuzelas distorts concentration and prevents essential in-game dialogue. Fans, too, find their enjoyment undermined, with chants, cheers, and traditional songs suffocated by the relentless buzzing of the Vuvuzelas. Uganda's rich musical and cultural heritage deserves better than plastic horns, droning out the very soul of our sports experience. We would wish to see an Acholi or in Uganda drumming among the fans up there. That would be better. Now I know the people who are opposing this could be saying, but let's take a look at what the world has done. Uganda will not be alone in taking action. In fact, over 15 countries and major sports bodies have already banned Vuvuzelas, including the United Kingdom, who banned in Premier League stadiums and Wimbledon. The United States, they banned by the NFL, NBA, MLB, and NHL. In Germany, France, Italy, and Spain, they banned in top-flight football stadiums. Then UEFA, a body in Europe, also banned in all European competitions. That is Champions League, Europa. Now I'm in the mood. Then in Olympics, it was banned since London 2012. Even countries with deep football traditions recognize that Vuvuzelas are not just noise; they are a nuisance and a danger. Why Uganda must act now? Ugandan football is growing. Our stadiums are attracting larger crowds, more televised events, and international attention. we must prioritize health, order, and enjoyment, because it seems like we have a lot of ministers of enjoyment. If Vuvuzelas continue unchecked, we risk hearing-related lawsuits and health crises. We create chaotic environments in case of emergencies. We undermine the quality of our national sports culture. And yes, lawsuits can come in from other countries. If within, it may not come. Let's be clear, burning the Vuvuzela is not an article on fun enthusiasm. It is a defense of it. True passion for the game is best expressed in cheers, songs, drums, and chants that unite rather than alienate. Now here is the way forward. Uganda's Ministry of Education and Sport, National Council of Sport, FUFA, and stadium authorities should immediately ban the issue of using vuvuzelas in all national stadiums, launch public awareness campaigns about the danger of high decibel noise. Yes, noise is a pollution, and also promote safe and culturally rich alternatives such as traditional instruments like singing and supported drums from different tribes. We have a lot of cultural drums and instruments. In conclusion, Uganda must not wait for prejudice or backlash. We must act preemptively and decisively. Burning vuvuzelas is not just a sporting issue, it's a public health, safety, and cultural integrity issue. Let the call be clear. Burn the vuvuzela. Bring back the voice of true Ugandan sports. Thank you.